Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another tutorial. Now guys, today I want to go ahead and show you guys something that a lot of people do not like, and that's the thing where I'm going to go ahead and turn on my desktop audio so you guys don't hear the video. But when you play the video, right, then when you unpause it, it instantly goes back here. Now let's say you want to go ahead and cut a part and you're instantly there. Let's say I want to cut here, okay? I'm watching it through. I've cut, thing. Let's say I want to cut it right here. So I'm going to wait for it to come over here. What you guys want to do is you want to click enter. And bam. Once you click enter, it will stay here. I think it's really cool. Unless you've changed the keybinds. If it doesn't work, it means you've changed the keybinds. So you want to go ahead and you go options and go to preferences. And if you've changed, or not preferences, options, keybinds, customize keyboard. If you've changed another keybind to enter, then that means it's not going to work. So I've not messed with my keybinds at all. So yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna cut. Let's say I want to cut here. Pause here with. You always want to do with spacebar. Oh, you can do it. You can unpause it with enter as well. You want to do it with enter, and then bam, I want to cut here, and bam, you click enter again, and bam, it stays here. And that's a little editing trick that a lot of people didn't know and still don't know in Sony Vegas Pro. It should work on any version. If it doesn't, then I guess it's only the version I'm using. I'm using Vegas Pro 17. It should work on every single version. I'm pretty sure from 13 to up. It doesn't work if you're using 13, 14, or whatever, and it doesn't work. Go ahead and comment down below, and I'll try finding a fix for you. Because I've used Sony Vegas for a very long time, and I actually have every single version. I have 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. I have all of them. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Hope this tutorial helped a lot of you guys. I did get right to the point, so points for me, subscribe. Yay, subscribe. Anyway, yeah. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.